Okay, so welcome back. This is going to be a new, I can't say episode, clip, video, what are they called? Mine's gone. Anyway, yeah, we're going to remove and swap over these that are at the bottom here, which as you can see, I've decided to just snap off. Don't learn from my mistakes. I thought let me just try one, see how it goes. I just let me just pull out. But yeah, this is genuinely my first time doing it, so I guess we just break things together, right? I think this is actually broken. No, it's not broken. Okay, let's have a look. We learn together, right? Right. Okay, so probably over here somewhere. Just put that to the side. Oh, you see, it's not that hard. It's not that hard at all. Hey? Okay, let me take this one out. There we go. There we go. Alright, let me get the new one. Just to prove that this is my first one, is the pack, and there's still 4 in there. I guess really if you're trying to show someone how to do something, you should really do it first and then instruct them, but I mean, yeah, we learn together, right? Right. So I just want to see if they're all exactly the same first, because it doesn't say which one is which. So bear with me. Alright, well, I haven't really learned anything. They're all on the left hand side and the pins are all on the right hand side, so I'm guessing there's only, I mean, they're all the same then, right? Right, let's go. So just squeeze that in, one plugs out, and then only one way to put it in, I guess. Oh, sweet. Yeah, and you can see it in there. Alright, so generally try and see which way, and hopefully it should just pop in and pop in. You should hear 2 snaps, and I can see obviously it's dark, but I can see something in there. Can you see it move? Yes, you can. Just there. You can't really see it properly, but I might do a night sham shot. But that is literally it. That's all I really needed to say. Shortest clip ever. Peace. You know what? I thought let me just show you start to finish. Literally start to finish. So this time I'm not going to try and move this lens out first. I'm just going to do it from the... Okay, so we're going to remove the lens first. And then now we have great access to this bit, which actually you don't even need. You actually don't need these tools, I guess. You just, as long as you pull this part back, and then this bit back, and then this bit. Oh, look at that. It's grimy inside. Ew. Alright. Should really just, okay, and push this in. This should unclip. Should unclip. If it doesn't unclip, make it unclip. So obviously some of them have to be freaking done. Just get out any way you can. And then put this in. Ta-da! Make sure it clips in properly. There you go. And then we're going to go again from this side. And then just keep pushing until you hear that clip. And that is in there. good. Is it good? Yeah, it's not going anywhere. Yep. Done. Alright, next. No, but that's genuinely it. It's that easy. Alright. Peace. So it's now night time, and this is how they look in the night. I think they look quite nice. Now I've gone for a different style. As you can see, they look a bit blue. Well, they are blue, but they have like the classic Mercedes badge signs. And I'm very happy with them. So yeah, that's how they look at the night.